Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to speak about this Elemis mask that I got about 2 weeks ago, and I want to give you my opinion on how it is on my skin. My skin is combination. It's quite dry all over except my T-zone, which is slightly oily. And this mask is meant for dry skin or combination skin, a skin that needs hydration and nourishment and moisture. And when I saw the description of this mask, I jumped right on it because I do like the brand Elemis. I didn't really buy a lot of products from Elemis. Actually, I don't know if I bought any at all. No, I don't think so. But I did try them once through a facial that I had quite a while back, and I really loved how those products left my skin, because I asked the girl there, what are you using? They smelled fantastic, they left my skin so soft and amazing. And she said that she used Elemis, and when I looked into the price of Elemis, they were quite pricey, but I really wanted to try this mask, and I thought, you know, what the heck, I'm just gonna try and invest because I'm going to use it a few times. It's not like it's gonna run out really fast. So that's why I wanted to film this video and let you know and my thoughts about this mask, because I've used it a few times since I got it, and I am here to tell you how it felt, if it did what it claimed to do, and all of the things in between that I can tell you through the camera about this mask. On the website, it's described as a nourishing face mask. It says, give your skin some green goodness with the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Banish dull, dry skin with this smoothie-inspired moisturizing mask. The nourishing formula is packed with super greens and radiance-boosting fruit acids for your softest and smoothest complexion yet. Vitamin C and fruit acids slow away dead skin cells, whilst avocado and chia seed oils help to provide moisture to the skin. Get ready for super bright skin. It says here also that it's vegan, cruelty-free, suitable for all skin types. It says that it's suitable for all skin types. I don't know what to say about that, but what I can say is that as soon as I've seen the description with the super bright skin and for dry and blah blah, I just thought I should try it. I spent on this mask £29.95 on the Beauty Bay website, and I think in dollars it's about $32 or so. And it has 75 ml. It's a tube of 75 ml, and I really like the color of the packaging and everything about it. It's really nice and glam. I was very excited to receive this because I know that Elemis products smell fantastic. I remember that facial session forever, and I thought I have to try some Elemis products since then, but I've always procrastinated. I never did. I love how it smells. I love how it feels. It's very smooth and it feels moisturizing on the skin, and it has this minty green tint, and basically it's like a really moisturizing cream, and it feels like that on the skin too. It says here to apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp dark cloth. I've used the white cloth and it's fine. It's just a bit of green tint on the cloth that washes away no problem, so you don't have to use a dark cloth really, because it intrigued me a bit when I read dark cloth. I thought, oh my god, why is this gonna stain my cloth? Because my muslin cloths are white and it was no problem. I removed it no problem, and it was a tiny green tint to it that washed away very easily, so don't worry about that. This is supposed to be left on the skin about 10 minutes. I noticed that after a few minutes it starts to sink in into the skin and disappear, which I like because it just makes me feel like the skin drinks it. I don't know, it's hydrating my skin. Now it says here on the packaging that a slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. I didn't feel any tingling on my skin. I don't know if the mask really did work its magic, since I didn't feel the tingling, but no, I'm joking. Another thing that I was thinking about is maybe they've put that on there in case, I don't know, is a cover-up, you know, because I'm so suspicious like that all the time, and maybe they put that in there in case someone feels like that and they think, oh my god, this is expired or something, so it just says, don't worry, It's okay, it's normal. So these are my thoughts about this mask. I think it's a really good, lovely scented mask, and it does what it promises. It does give you that radiance, and it moisturizes, it gives a bit of hydration, it feels nice on the skin, it looks nice. I love the minty green color, and it smells fantastic. Let me know in the comments below if you have this mask, if you tried it, or if you thought of trying it and you didn't know for sure. Let me know what your favorite Elemis product is, or what you would recommend me to get from Elemis, because I really do want to try a few more products from Elemis because it's such a nice brand, and yeah, I trust that they would be really nice. So if you use Elemis, let me know what other products you recommend me to get for my combination skin. If you have any tips and recommendation, I would gladly love to know. Thank you so much for watching my video, and until my next one, don't forget to subscribe. Click that button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell that will notify you each time I post a new video. And of course, like my video. If you liked it, like it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!